How to withdraw application on Accenture. First things first is you visit the Accenture's official website. If your current application is still on pending or in review, you can still withdraw that application. Now, once you're on Accenture.com's official site, make sure that you log into your account and then go to your applications field. Now, once you're on the applications field, all you have to do next is just to tap or click on the current job that you're trying to apply for. You will be able to see three dots beside your application and then just simply choose on withdraw application. You'll be on the next field or on the next tab stating the reason why you are trying to withdraw your application, and you'll just have to comply all those information for you to be able to completely withdraw it. So that's it. That's how you withdraw application on Accenture.